Once upon a time in the vibrant heart of Jamaica, there lived a girl named Moy. With her radiant smile and an infectious spirit, she was known throughout her small community in Ocho Rios. From an early age, Moy had a love for music that echoed through the streets like the sweet melodies of reggae. Every Saturday, she would climb onto her grandmother's porch with a yellow hairbrush as her microphone, singing along to the classic tunes of Bob Marley and Dennis Brown. Despite her joyful upbringing, Moy faced challenges. Her family faced glitches with finance, and often talked of deep concerns. But instead of letting it bring her down, Moy used it as fuel to chase her dreams. As she sang, she envisioned herself on the biggest stages, her voice reaching the world. With every note she belted out, she dreamed of a future filled with success. Determined to make that dream a reality, Moy began performing at local events. Her talent caught the attention of a small record producer who offered her a chance to record her first single. With the support of her family and friends, she took the plunge. The single, Rise Up, struck a chord with many and became a local hit, bringing hope to those who heard it. Moy's journey was not without struggles. She learned the ins and outs of the music business the hard way, often facing big challenges. But she persevered, driven by her passion. As her popularity skyrocketed, she released more songs, each infused with the rhythms of reggae and the soul of her experiences. But Moy was more than just a singer, she was a visionary. As she gained fame, she wanted to uplift her community. She invested her earnings into local education and music programs for underprivileged youth, ensuring that other aspiring artists had the support they needed. Before long, Moy not only became a celebrated singer but also a powerful businesswoman. She launched her own record label, giving young Jamaican talent a platform. Her artistry and entrepreneurship blended seamlessly, creating a thriving hub of creativity. Years later, standing on stage at a prestigious music award show, Moy reflected on her journey. With the spotlight shining on her, she knew that every obstacle had only brought her closer to her dreams. As she accepted the award for Best New Artist, she smiled and said, "This is for every young girl in Jamaica who dares to dream. Never give up, your voice is your power." And with her heart full, Moy became not only a voice of her generation but also a beacon of hope, inspiration, and success for all.